Hey guys, I've got some exciting news, and I know we've all been waiting to hear about some information for Black Ops 4 Zombies. Like, when is it going to be announced or revealed, or when are we going to get any kind of information? And I'll show you guys all that information, but this is a really historical time for us Zombies fans. We have ended an 8-year storyline back in 2016. And 2 years later, here we are about to start on something brand new. So it's a really exciting time to be a Zombies fan and to have gotten to experience the last 8 years. And now we're at a turning point and we do not know what's going to happen. So moments ago, we got our first announcement of Black Ops 4 Zombies. And this did not come from Activision, Call of Duty, or Treyarch. It actually came from a tweet for E3. E3 tweeted out, "What's lurking around the corner of Treyarch's next Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Zombies experience? Come hear the history of Call of Duty Zombies from the creators themselves at E3 Coliseum," and then they give you a link to purchasing a pass if you want to attend. Along with the tweet, they posted a picture, and on the bottom left, it says that we're going to be able to watch this live on Facebook, which is really great news because most people are not going to be able to attend this event. Their Facebook is E3 Expo, and they did post the same thing on this page, so I'm assuming this is where we're going to be able to watch it. And we might also be able to watch it on YouTube and maybe even Twitch. E3 Expo is going to be at the Los Angeles Convention Center this year. You can see a shot of it here. And then for the actual event, when they reveal the zombies, it's going to be in the Coliseum. And this is what it looks like right here. This is a huge step up from revealing zombies at Comic-Con, which they usually do each year. This is a huge platform right here. Now, I don't know if that means that zombies is going to be a bigger experience for us, or it's just a convenience thing and why they're doing it at E3. The ticket cost to get into E3 is $250 for just a gamer pass for those 3 days of the event. The days of the event are going to be June 12th, 13th, and 14th. And my guess is that they're going to do this reveal on the 12th because every time they go to like E3 or Comic-Con, they've always done the Call of Duty reveals on the first day of these events. I did speak to a customer service representative at E3 to find out if they could tell me about the schedule, if it would be on the 12th, 13th, or 14th, and they said they don't have any of that information at this time, and then I'd have to contact the vendor if I wanted to find out. So basically they're telling me to call Activision, and I don't think that's gonna happen. What I find interesting is that E3 is actually making this announcement about zombies, and you figured it would be Activision or Call of Duty or Treyarch making this tweet first. So I'm wondering if there was like a miscommunication going on, and I'm wondering, since E3 has announced it, are we gonna be hearing something from Treyarch or Call of Duty now on their Twitter announcing it as well? Another thing we could be looking forward to during this time in June is the special edition pre-order. Now it's possible they may announce that at the May 17th reveal at the Jet Center, but if not, yeah, this would probably be the time. And if that's the case, we only have 36 days before all of this happens. So if you guys want to get your hands on the special edition, definitely get your money ready because that is going to sell out really fast. So we all know that BO4 is coming out a month early. They're trying to beat the Red Dead Redemption release, and it looks like they're pushing everything back a month. So we're getting what appears to be the multiplayer in May, and then zombies in June, and normally we would be getting zombies in July during the Comic-Con release. But it looks like, yeah, they're doing it a month early. So it's possible that this could mean that we could be playing the beta in July, and normally the betas are played in August. Now that's even if they offer the beta this time, which hopefully they will. And it's possible that there's not going to be anything going on for Call of Duty at Comic-Con this year because they will have already announced everything. But this is definitely a very exciting time. I know we're all super hyped about this, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.